How to copy a formula from one cell to another without actually changing the cell referencing. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can copy a particular formula to another cell without changing the cell reference. So as here you can see in this particular data set, we have this formula right here, which you can see in this particular section. This particular formula calculates the sum of this profit which is present in this column. So let's say I want to paste this exact same formula to some another cell without actually changing the cell values. So that means I want to exactly paste the same value as this but in another cell. So let me show you how you can do that. So in order to start, first select the cell that you want to copy and then click here and select all of this instance. Then once you have selected the formula, simply right click and click onto this copy button. Once you have pressed the copy option, simply hit the enter button and then move to that particular cell where you want to paste this exact formula. So for example, let's say I want to paste the exact formula here. Then once you are in the cell, simply press the Ctrl and V key combinations, and here you can see that the exact formula with the exact cell reference has been successfully pasted to another cell. So that's how easily you can copy paste a formula without changing the cell reference in MS Excel. So that's all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.